Hello everybody! A lot of you have been requesting more quarantine content, so I figured I'd start with my relaxing nighttime routine in partnership with Garnier. Let's start! The first step to unwinding for the night is removing my makeup. My skin's been really bad lately because I tried a skincare product and I didn't do a swatch test. The skincare line was Fenty Skin, just had so much fragrance in it. I am probably gonna work out next, so I'm gonna change. I recently started jump roping to try to get rid of some of the quarantine weight. You guys know I love cartoons, so I started watching Steven Universe. It's so cute. Steaming hot showers have always been one of my favorite things. It's a good time to think, and you get to leave smelling like flowers or coconuts. I've been using the Garnier Fructis Treats shampoo and conditioner for a while now. I'm starting with the coconut extract shampoo, which first of all smells amazing. It's the kind of product that leaves a lasting, freshly showered scent. You know, the kind where people will tell you smell good. You'll see after just using the shampoo, my hair is all detangled and looks super smooth and silky. Next, I'm using the Garnier Fructis Treats Coconut Conditioner. This is a really good daily conditioner that helps keep it hydrated without feeling heavy. For the final step in my shower hair care routine, I'm using the Garnier 3-in-1 1-minute hair mask with coconut extract. This hair mask can be used as just a conditioner, a deep conditioner, or a leave-in treatment, but I personally use this once a week as a deep conditioner, so I apply it and leave it in while I take care of the rest of my shower routine. I never really took care of my hair until this year, but doing a hair mask like this even just once a week is a really nice, relaxing treat. I recently started using my skincare fridge again. I leave my skincare tools, serums, and eye cream in here. After my hair is dry, I'll tie up my hair to do the overnight heatless waves. My favorite quarantine purchase has been this projector. finally, it's time for bed. And that concludes my night routine. Thanks for watching, and thanks again to Garnier for partnering with me on this video. Sweet dreams, and I will see you in my next video.